Welcome to Agribusinesses News Series. Hey there, have you ever wondered if robots could solve the farm labor shortage? Well, Bonsai Robotics just raised a whopping $15 million to give it a shot. So, what's the deal? Bonsai Robotics is developing robots specifically designed for orchards like apple and pear orchards. These machines are all about pruning and thinning, which can hugely improve crop quality and yield. Imagine robots working 24/7, never needing a break, and making precise cuts to boost fruit quality. Sounds pretty futuristic, right? But let's get into the nitty-gritty. There are some amazing pros to this technology. First off, increased efficiency and productivity. Robots don't get tired, meaning continuous operation and potentially higher yields. Secondly, they address the pressing issue of labor shortages. Many farms struggle to find and retain workers, so robots can fill that gap. Plus, precise robotic pruning could lead to better quality fruit. All this could mean lower costs and higher profits for farmers. However, it's not all sunshine and roses. The initial investment for these robotic systems is pretty high, which can be a big hurdle for smaller farms. And yes, there's the concern of job displacement for farm workers. It's also worth mentioning that robots might not be perfect for every task, especially in complex environments. Maintenance and repair can also add to the operational costs. This move by Bonsai Robotics is part of a broader trend towards automation in agriculture. With labor shortages, rising costs, and the need for increased efficiency, more companies are jumping on the robotics bandwagon. From harvesting to weeding, robots are becoming the new farmhands. So what do you think? Are robots the future of farming, or do we risk losing valuable jobs and skills? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Follow Agribusinesses for the latest agriculture news from around the globe.